in Delhi right now is almost touching more than 40, I suppose. So you're from different part of the world, we are from different part, and we are meeting in Delhi. Because of the political problem back in Kashmir, that's the reason we are over here. Now, why we got this loom in front of you? Because each and every family in Kashmir is having a loom like this in their houses, because factories and industries have been closed since very long. That's the reason people are working in their houses.
Dobro, pita, u stvari govori o tome da svaka porodica u Kašmiru ima ovakav jedan razvoj u svojoj kući gde prave ove tepihe. I will translate a little.
Right, sir. Right, sir. And a loom size can be this small, 0.80 by 120 is the size of the loom. It will take 3 months for a family to make one carpet on this loom.
Znači, ova veličina 0,80 metara sa 1,2 metra tepih za jednu familiju je potrebno negde oko 3 meseca da napravi tepih ove veličine.
And loom size can be big as 3 meter, 4 meter carpet, big size. This size will take 17.5 months time for a family to make.
Za onako veliki tepih, kao što je i za gospodina Dragana, potrebno je negde oko 17 meseci da se napravi.
And what we get from Kashmir, the best in the world is the Kashmir wool that comes from the Kashmir. Pashmina wool that is sold everywhere in the world, but the source is Kashmir. And Pashmina is the wool that is collected from here and from here of the sheep. And these two portions are not exposed to the sunlight. That's the reason that wool is very soft, very fine and very shiny. And out of that wool, some families make carpets and some families make beautiful shawls for the ladies.
Dakle, to je, Kašmir je u stvari poznat po pašmina, tako vuni, i to je jedna od najkvalitetnijih vuna na svetu. To je dakle vuna koja raste na unutrašnjim delovima koji nisu izloženi suncu i zato je tako mekana i sjajna i dobra i kvalitetna i koristi se za izradu tepiha i za izradu šalova, naravno, pašmina šalova.
And there is one more fabric that comes from the Kashmir is the natural silk. The silk that's grown on the mulberry trees with the help of cocoon worm. And out of that silk we make silk saris and silk scarves for the ladies, and there are some textiles where we mix for the dresses and all.
Dakle, postoje i na Kašmiru proizvode i svilu. I svila se naravno dobije od svilene bube. Ono što je meni zanimljivo, iz jedne, kako se to kaže, kokun je šta? Čaura. Iz jedne čaure može da se izvuče preko 2 kilometra svilene niti. To je stvarno neverovatno.
And not only we got Pashmina, we got Kashmir, we got silk, but over here in Delhi, we got also a Kashmir cup of tea for yourself. It's the very special tea, it's the green tea that's with cinnamon, cardamom and saffron. There is no milk and no sugar in it. So I have already asked my boys to get you a Kashmir cup of tea. It's a very refreshing tea. So please enjoy yourself, feel at home, you are my guest here, please.
Dakle, dobit ćemo sada i kašmirski čuveni čaj da se osvežimo malo i povratimo s nama.
And they will start reading it from right to left. They will read from here to there. And these are the colors, they will go into the carpet. They will pull this thread down. They will tie a knot in a figure of English 8. This is the back and this is the front. And this is how they make it. One thread from the front, one from the back, then they tie a knot in a figure of English 8. They pull it down, that means one knot is completed in the carpet.
Da, znači čitaju u stvari sa desna na levo, red po red, gore imaju boje, odnosno vunu različitih boja i prave te čvorove. Objasnije sad upravo kako se pravi jedan čvor.
There are 324 knots in 1 square inch in Kashmir wool. There are 484 knots in Pashmina wool.
How many?
In Kashmir wool, 324.
324 čvora je po jednom kvadratnom inču. Inč je oko 2,5 cm.
And in Pashmina wool, 484 knots in 1 square inch.
A pašmina je tanja i lepša, zato u stvari se može više čvorova napraviti na kvadratnom inču, 484 čvora po na 2,5 kvadratnih sati.
because pashmina is finer and softer. And once they pull this down, they cut it with the help of this knife. It's always curved. They cut it like this way. They cut it directionally. They don't cut it straight. They cut it like this. Because in hand knotted carpet, pile is not straight. It's like this. Directional. This is not straight. This is directional. And it's the technique, the method, they have been doing it since very long to cut it in a directional way. And once they complete the row of knot with the help of this kind of a comb, it's an iron comb, they beat it so that knots get tighter, they get compact and they get bigger.
Mislim da je stvarno.
And then this is the scissor, they trim it like this. They shave it so that it gets balanced, it gets equal. Now this gear over here, it plays a very important role in a hand knotted carpet because once they pull this down, the front portion goes to the back and back comes to the front and that interlocks the knots. If you pull one knot out, only that knot will come out, not the whole row. In machine made carpet, wall to wall carpet, everything coming out. Here, no problem with the quality. And you can see the back side of the carpet, it's as good as from the front. Take a look on this one. This is the back side of it.
This is the back side.
This is the back side.
Ovo je zadnja stranica tepika, a ono je prednja stranica tepika koju će poslije pošišati pa onda obraditi malo vatrom, oprati i tako.
And once carpet is completed on the loom, we send it for washing. It never comes directly over here. And there are two reasons to wash the carpet. One reason is we have to be sure colors are guaranteed fast. And second reason, for 6 months, for 7 months, for 8 months, it gets dirty every day. It catches all the dust and dirt in the house. So we wash it for that reason also.
Da, kad se dakle obradi, kad se isplete, odnosno kad se istka, kad se obradi, kad se podšiša, kad se obradi vatrom, onda se pere.
So this is the procedure how we make a carpet. I hope you understand. I will show you few carpets over here to get idea what I'm talking about. And also come again. And also you can enjoy a cup of tea as well. Please, ले जा दीजिए. चलो, This is a 2 meter, 3 meter carpet made of a cashmere wool. This carpet takes 6.5 months time for a family to get it.
6,5 mjeseci treba da se napravi, ovo je 2 puta 3 metra od kašmira.
Open it. Piche thoda. Beautiful color, beautiful design, and a lovely scheme has been used in this carpet. Put it down on the floor. Just see the color from thoda piche chal ke. Piche le jao. My dear guests, just see. Every hand knotted carpet in the world will have two different colors, light color and a darker color. This is the dark side. Turn it other way around.
Menja boje. Ima working tepih od kašmira, ima svetlu i tamnu stranu. Vidite kako recimo potpuno promenja boje.
Because it's the technique, it's in the making that we are having two different colors. Turn it again, just see the lighter side. And
That's
this
because
is the
you're
darker
cutting
side.
not like this, but like this. Fantastično. Stvarno. It's like a magic, really.